you've been asking for a video. We just got Missfire back from Windsor Exhausts, and I'll tell you what, they've done an absolutely amazing job. If you need an exhaust, go and see them. They are the loveliest bunch of people. Exhaust down. I'll put their details up on our Facebook page. I'm just so impressed. And I just want to show you our exhaust here. We thought we'd go for something a little bit gnarly, and we got our side pipes hanging out the side here. How good do they look? We'll go for a walk around the other side. See our SS badges there. Look at that. That looks unreal. We've also got some stuff to show you inside. See our roll cage is all painted. We've still got to finish our firewall at the back. Our dash is in. Steering wheel's on. We're really getting there. We'll just pop the bonnet. Here we are. Here's our LS1 purring away in there. And I'm just going to hand the phone to my daughter just for a second. Just hold that. Video me for a sec. I just want to show you what Missfire sounds like now. Have a listen. How good does that sound? I'm going to have to turn it off because we're going to upset all the neighbours. But that sounds unreal. I can't wait to get it out on the track. Anyway, we're going to see you next time on Bump Stock Car Mods and Mentoring. We'll do a bit more of a rundown when the kids are back. See you all later.